Good morning, grade 3 students, and welcome to our English video lesson. Today we will start the lesson Project, Part 1, from Module 10. Let's take a look at our learning objectives for today. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to read a text to identify the main idea, read the text to answer 4 detailed questions, use the conjunction because correctly, and then write 1 to 2 sentences about the topic My Favorite Animal. Before we get started, you will need to open your books to these pages: Student's Book page 133 and Workbook page 128. Get your books quickly and make sure to open the correct pages. Make sure to follow the exercises in this video and write the answers in your books too. Let's take a look at our lesson steps for today. First, we will start with predictions. That's when you start guessing what the text is about by looking at the pictures and the title. Next, we will read the text for main idea. That's when we answer the big question at the top of the page. You will see it in a moment. Then you will have to read the text again on your own for details. Of course, we look for details to answer detailed questions correctly. In the last step, we will have a discussion. We will think about what we learned and talk about it. Maybe write a few sentences too. We shall see. Before we get started, I have a fun game for you. It's called What Is It? There's a hidden picture behind these 4 squares. I will give you a hint about it, and I want you to try to guess what is in the picture before all the squares disappear. Are you ready? Let's start. It's a very cute animal. It's smaller than a lion. It has a long tail. What is it? It's a cat. Well done. Let's try another one. It has 4 legs. It has brown spots. It has a very long neck. What is it? It's a giraffe. Excellent. Let's see if you can find out the next one. It lives in the desert. It has 1 or 2 humps. It eats grass and leaves. What is it? It's a camel. Great! All right, now that we finished the game, we are ready to start the lesson. The first step is always predictions. Well done. You have a title and you have pictures to help you. The title to the text is correct, My Favorite Animal. And in the pictures, you can see an animal and a boy. The boy's name is, well done again, it's Rabia. So I need you to think, what is Rabia's favorite animal? Is it the cheetah? Or is it the gorilla? Or is it the tiger? Let's read and find out. So, in this step, we have to listen carefully to find out the main idea. What's Rabia's favorite animal? Are you ready? Let's listen.
1. What's Rabi's favorite animal? Read and answer. My favorite animal.
My favorite animal is the cheetah. It is shorter than a giraffe and taller than a crocodile. It is stronger than a monkey and weaker than an elephant. It is bigger than a cat and smaller than a tiger. I I like the cheetah because it is the fastest of all the animals.
Going back to our predictions about Rabia's favorite animal, did you find out the correct answer? Yes, it's the cheetah. You can find it in the first line in the text. My favorite animal is the cheetah. Great job, everyone! Now we reached the third step, details. I need you to read the text again so you can answer the questions and exercise 2. Let's take a look at them first and highlight the key words. This way, it will be easier to find the answers in the text. So let's read the questions and highlight the key words. Question number 1, is the cheetah shorter than a crocodile? Can you find the key words in this question? Well done, shorter than a crocodile. We are comparing cheetahs to crocodiles. Question number 2, is the cheetah stronger than a monkey? Again, the key words are stronger than a monkey. We are comparing cheetahs to, yes, to monkeys. Question number 3, is the cheetah smaller than a tiger? Can you tell me what animal are we comparing the cheetahs to? Excellent, tigers. So the key words are smaller than a tiger. Question number 4, why does Rabia like this animal? The key words here are why and Rabia likes this animal. We need to be looking for a reason. Pause the video here and take your time to read the text on your own. Try to answer all the questions. Come back when you are ready to check your answers. Are you ready to check your answers? Let's see. Question number 1. Is the cheetah shorter than a crocodile? Your eyes need to be looking for those words. Shorter, crocodile. You can find it right here in the text. It is shorter than a giraffe and taller than a crocodile. So the answer would be no. No, it isn't. Question number 2. Is the cheetah stronger than a monkey? Again, you need to be looking for these key words in the text. You can find it right there. It is stronger than a monkey. So the answer would be yes, it is. Question number 3. Is the cheetah smaller than a tiger? Did you find the answer? Well done. It says right there, it is bigger than a cat and smaller than a tiger. So the answer is great. It is yes, it is. Now we come to the last question. Question number 4. Why does Rabia like this animal? We need to be looking for a reason. Something that makes cheetahs so special that Rabia likes them. It's right there in the text. Rabia says, I like the cheetah because it is the fastest of all the animals. So when we write our answer, we will say, because it is the fastest of all the animals. Take a look at all the questions and answers one more time. You can pause the video for as long as you like. Make sure to copy them in your book. Now we have something fun to talk about. I want to introduce you to Mr. Because, the clown. He has a special pair of glasses. When he puts them on, he can see the reason why something happens. So, for example, if we borrow Mr. Because's glasses to look at the text, we will find the reason why Rabia likes cheetahs is because it is the fastest of all the animals. Let's take a look at some examples. Take a look at the first picture. I carry an umbrella because it's raining. In the second picture, I'm happy because I got the full mark. Take a look at this boy. He loves eating pancakes. Why? Because they're yummy. And what about this sad girl right there? She's crying. Do you know why? She's crying because she broke her toy. Let's use Mr. Because's glasses to do the following exercise in your workbook. You should know that because always comes in the middle of a sentence. So, while reading, you have to be able to tell the difference between something and its reason to put the sentence in the correct order. Sometimes you can also look for capital letters to spot the beginning of sentences. Let's take a look at the first example. Because it's the tallest animal, I like the giraffe. The correct answer is I like the giraffe because it's the tallest animal. Do you think you can do the next two sentences? Pause the video to finish writing and come back to check your answers later. All done? Let's check the answers together. Number 2. I saw my friends yesterday. I am happy because. We said previously that because comes in the middle. So we need to be looking for something and its reason. That's right. We will start the sentence by saying, I am happy because I saw my friends yesterday. Well done. Let's take a look at number 3. It's cold. We can't go to the park because. Excellent. We will start with we can't go to the park because it's cold. Excellent job, everyone. Finally, we reached the last step of our lesson, discussion. The topic we discussed today is my favorite animal. I want you to think about your favorite animal, then write 2 sentences in your notebook about it. Is it bigger than another animal? Is it stronger? Is it faster? Here are some examples. My favorite animal is the lion. It is the strongest of all the animals. My favorite animal is the whale. It is larger than a dolphin. Now you can use the words in blue to start your sentences, but remember, you must use capital letters at the beginning of each sentence. Check your spelling and use correct punctuation marks. That's it. We reached the end of our lesson. Let's go back to check our objectives for today. We read a text to identify the main idea. We read the text again to answer 4 detailed questions. We used the conjunction because correctly. And finally, we wrote 1 to 2 sentences about the topic, my favorite animal. Thank you for watching this video, everyone. I will see you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Goodbye.